Hello, Mzansi Gossip Girl. South African actors are famous but broke. Gcina Mkhize is trending on social media because she is unable to pay her rent and refuses to move out. Steven Mashila, who bought the house at an auction, claims to be the rightful owner of the property. According to the paperwork that he has, the mansion was auctioned on the 3rd of October 2023 after Gcina Mkhize allegedly failing to keep up with the monthly installments. So now on Twitter X, Ntiki Mazwai shared a video showing us that, Gcina Mkhize is being evicted unlawfully, things like that. But now this is the case. Gcina Mkhize refuses to vacate her home because she is unable to keep up with the monthly installment. So now what must happen to the homeowner, the person that bought the house at the auction, because he's the rightful owner? So the owner of the house, since you cannot just evict a person like that, because there's just rules and regulations of property in South Africa. He decided that, since I cannot kick out Gcina Mkhize, let me just demolish the house. So he decided to break the windows, take out all of the windows of the house. So is the owner wrong by doing that? Let me know in the comment section. Till I see you again, Mzansi. Please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Please do not skip the ads. Till I see you again, Mzansi. Bye bye.
Everything. I think someone of you have been here before. Yes. So I even said this lady with the lady. Everything here says this is my house. I've got people that are staying at the back here. I allowed her to stay here. Now I said I want to renovate the house, and she doesn't want. I'm not even kicking her out. I said move to the other room. You understand? She doesn't want. This lady is not fighting. And the reason why I'm doing it, she doesn't want to hear anything from me. She doesn't want to pay rent, she doesn't want to pay anything.
And please put that point away. We will sort that out.
She feels that swimming pool up, just to fight me. You can see that.
No, you switched off our water.
Water? One day.
Switched off our water.
Nothing.
We needed water to start the toilets and to do other things.
Let your house do something.
Yes.
You own the house.
Do you own this house?
Yes. How does the owner?
No, but you guys. I'm the owner. No, she's not my wife. This lady, I bought this property from an auction, and she knows. She's been to the police, she's been everywhere. They know about it. Okay? Right? So you guys, you don't want to protect illegal occupants in my house. You can bring all this. Okay? You don't want to protect the illegal occupants.
No.
Just staying here very much illegally.
What you need to do then is, why don't you just get...
Kuyaphulwa kwami ngihleli ngaphakathi. Kuyaphulwa kwibedroom yami ngihleli ngaphakathi. Iziqhwaga zasegoli ezinemali kuyaphulwa kwami. Ziboneleni bukani. I'm not making this up. You can't make something like this up. Kuyaphulwa kwami ngihleli ngaphakathi. Isiqhwaga esikhulu esinemali. Thenga nombani ukuthi kwenzakale the way afuna ngakhona. Bukani nangi boss enkulu thumela abantu bakhe bazokwenza umathanda emzini wami nangiya